Second day, fourth match, TINGSHONG versus SEIKHOR. TINGSHONG 跟了 SEIKHOR 王了。一场为了上任时，就王那 football ground 那个曼联人民都个是去 Razan Higher 亚瑞宾的 sakla 那个波看我啥的嘞。ring 个泡泡，亚瑞里 ring 个泡泡，一大的行名来的嘞，亚瑞里 ring 个泡泡，阿瑞。Sing dun kadam now long, silverly come conference we, four match li. Ring pai, ring ka pa, ning ka shi ka chung ka pong song ai de li. Kiwi wang kala ja ka, adam na masang rock to the, adam na masang rock to the. I chot hai de sai, I chot hai de sai, ka ili. Ka chot mi re, iwi ka chot thai mi hung de, rang ru mi lak hai re, iwi ili commentator, sang rum gi ka chi, other sport, ili commentator, sang rum gi chi, Mr. Warren Muiva, Ari. State Razan Ire, Kala Ori format, SEIKHOR, Kala TINGSHONG, we matchly commentator here. Command here, Mr. Warren Muivan, Warren Muivan, Sami Gachine, Gachi, Yari, the declare Sami idly, Yari Hanging idly. Yari Gatong, Mr. Warren Muivan, ring a pile of someone who is a bang bang like an oxy piano, Yari.
我哋話關英生會。
First day we fourth and final match hapo kubai. Ngang kubai re. Kachos nang naglibashi na SEIKHOR. Orange jerseys nang naglibashi na TINGSHONG. TINGSHONG.
Hello and welcome back to the last match of this first day of the 75th General Conference being held at Talui. This match is being played between TINGSHONG and SEIKHOR, and SEIKHOR are on attack straight away. For TINGSHONG, we have Risangmi Vishum, former Indian international, playing as the midfielder, wearing jersey number 10. SEIKHOR with more possession in the opening exchanges so far. Marancham is looking for Taimi. Now Kwikwi Awongshi. Kwikwi takes the shot on, and Kwikwi finds the opening goal. It's a weak effort from Kwikwi that has squirmed past the goalkeeper Ngasomi Horam of TINGSHONG, and TINGSHONG find themselves in a sticky situation. They have conceded just 2 minutes into the game, and it'll be asking a lot from them to come back from this, but they still have time. Somipom for Warishang. Warishang all the way back to Marchang. Now Rancham out wide for Ringam, cleared by the TINGSHONG defender. Tottenham throw in for SEIKHOR, and the ball hit the referee, so the referee has stopped play and given the ball to SEIKHOR. Iso Rancham out wide for Ringam. Leaves it for Mushun. Try to find the run of Soso, and it's gone out for a throw-in for SEIKHOR, which will be taken by Anaupam. Anaupam leaves the ball for Rancham, and the referee has said that is a delay tactic from the fullback, from the SEIKHOR fullback, and I think he will issue the first card of the game to Anaupam. Rancham to Yokmi. The referee calls back play again. Taimi Layson cleared. Wongchan with the clearance. Out wide for Somipam. Somipam chases the ball, but it's intercepted by Yermia. Yermia tried to look for Taimi. It's well intercepted by Marchang. And there's a foul by one of the SEIKHOR players, and Thotmaya will take the free kick for TINGSHONG. Thotmaya looking long, cleared by Jihansa, further cleared by Kwikwi. Only still Warishang. Warishang does well to steal the ball back of Kwikwi. Somipam ran into too many SEIKHOR defenders. Rancham. Yermia out for Kwikwi. Now with Risangmi Vishum. Risangmi. Taimi back to Yermia. All the way back to the goalkeeper. Chihansa. Somipum now. Somipum takes the ball in his stride and takes a shot from long range. Just mistime his shot a little bit and it's gone way above the crossbar. Singran, listen. Take me back to Naupam. Now with Ringam Rungsung. Ringam finds Yokmi. Yokmi is dispossessed by Soso. Soso looks for Somipum. It's a good ball by Soso, but strong defending by Yermia, who heads the ball back to his goalkeeper. Yermia again. Good run from Soso. Now Risangmi Vishum. Risangmi. Head off the ball by Yokmi, but Risangmi did well to make sure the ball landed at the feet of one of the yellow jerseys in the middle of the park. The ball was played by Soso. So it was an early goal from SEIKHOR, but at the moment it is TINGSHONG who are pinning SEIKHOR into their own half. And that's a mistake, nearly a mistake from Risangmi, but he has made amends for it. Yokmi now. Yokmi looking for Mashun. Well cleared by Totmea. Totmea plays it to Orishang. Orishang was looking for the run of jersey number 19. Rancham. Yokmi all the way out wide for Ringam, intercepted by Wongchan. Wongchan tried to carry the ball forward, was looking for Iso, but cleared up in the end by Ongnapam. And Taimi's ball is intercepted by Totmea. Totmea will stride forward with the ball and is looking for the run of Wongchan, only for Ongnapam to shepherd it out of play. Rancham now. Rancham. Yokmi. Shun putting the pressure on Totmea, and Totmea took no chances there. Lets the ball go out for a throw-in. Rancham will take the resulting throw-in. Plays it to Yokmi. Back to Rancham. Rancham was looking for Kui at the far post, but scruffed at his pass. Ringam will win it back for SEIKHOR. Ranjam with time to cross. Ranjam with a disappointing cross that is cleared first time. Kui. Now with Marchang on the right flank. Won back again by Soso. Iso. Somipum. Somipam has Wang Zhan on the right flank but plays it instead to Iso. Iso is... The ball is well defended by Nganaupam. Great character from the TINGSHONG side. They conceded very early, but that hasn't deterred them one bit, and they have a corner to show for it now. They have the experience as well as the quality to make every set-piece situation count, and Resangmi Visham is making his way inside the box, and he will be hoping that he can get a telling touch on the ball. It's Resangmi, stolen off the head of Resangmi by Jihansa, the skipper for SEIKHOR, and the shots in the end by Tottenham is well wide. Sungen Layson, Ringham plays it back to Nganaupam. Nganaupam tried to play it back to Ringham, but it's dispossessed. Iso now. Iso. Nganaupam did well after his mistake. Soso, Iso, Wang Zhan into the box, cleared by Yermia. Now Mashun is on the chase. Soso and Totmia going head to head for the ball. Totmia conceding a throw-in, and Soso is being asked to hurry. Ranjam to Taimi inside the box, cleared by Resangmi with a scruffed clearance, further cleared by Wang Zhan, but only until Ranjam will play it inside the box. A disappointing cross in the end. He will get a second chance. No, it was a handball on Yokmi. So the early goal from SEIKHOR in this game, but the balance of play has been quite even, with TINGSHONG seeing more of the ball and spending more time in the SEIKHOR half rather than their own half. Mashun. Now back with Mashun again. His pass looking for Soso is intercepted by Totmia, but Ringham Lungsung gets it back. Mashun back to Ringham, only for Wang Zhan to keep it in play. Now with Rangham plays a diagonal pass out to Somipam, well defended by Kui Awongshi, the goal scorer. Kui, another throw in for TINGSHONG. And had a chance there for Wang Zhan, and it skimmed just wide of the near post of the goalkeeper. Yermia. Good ball for Taimi. Taimi tried to find the run of Soso. A little too much weight on the ball there. Resangmi Vishum. Resangmi goes past Soso. Resangmi looking long, and Iso is on the chase. Plays it out wide for Somipam. Somipam puts the ball into the box. It's cleared by Yermia, and a chance and a strike from far out by Warishang. The keeper collects it. Wang Zhan now. Marancham had the option of playing the ball to Ringham, but chose instead to play it to Mashun, and his ball in the end is a little disappointing. Totmia. Iso. Yokmi. Good ball from Rangam out wide for Somipom. Somipom keeps the ball in play. Somipom plays it back to jersey number 19. Back to Marchang. Marchang straight at the goalkeeper.
In the last 5 minutes attack hitting from Marchang. How many cards are there?
Tammy to Ringam. Ringam cannot control it, but it does well to win a throw-in. Rangam running at the SEIKHOR defense, but came up against Ganaupam. Jahansa now on the free kick for SEIKHOR. Jahansa. There's two there at the edge of the box for SEIKHOR, but a bit of a miscommunication between Soso and Washun meant that it was Ri Sangmi who benefited from the miscommunication, and he made a clearance. His ball looking for Somipom, and Somipom going up against one of the SEIKHOR players has gone down injured. The skipper of the TINGSHONG team is back up on his feet after receiving a bit of treatment, and Ranjam will take the throw-in. Ranjam finds Kui. Good turn to deceive Ringhorngam. Jahansa will try to put it long into the box. 5-6 white shirts inside the TINGSHONG box. Jahansa on the ball, the skipper for SEIKHOR. Jahansa, it's a good ball, it's high. Kui! But the referee saw something in it that he didn't like, and he has blown for a foul against Kui, I think, and it's a free kick that has been taken quickly by TINGSHONG. Back to Ri Sangmi. Ri Sangmi to Totmea. Totmea out wide for Marchang. Marchang looking for Iso, but it's well intercepted by Jahansa, the skipper for SEIKHOR, who is one of the main players for Classic Football Academy as well. Kui Aungshi. Kui halted by a combination of Ri Sangmi Vishum and Marchang. Now Somipom does well. Does not have the support, and at the end is dispossessed by Yermia. Yermia to Tammy. Tammy again. Tammy is headed off the ball by Somipom. Somipom now. Somipom has a few players that he could have passed to, but in the end he tried a long range effort that sails way wide and high. So about 30 minutes into the first half, and SEIKHOR lead this tie 1-0, courtesy of the scruffed finish from Kwikwi Awongshi in the second minute of the game. TINGSHONG doing very well to create a few chances themselves. They just haven't been clinical in the final third. Totmia finds Ringhorngam. Ringam now. Ringam for Ranjam. Ranjam looking for Mashun. Charges down Risungmi Vashum, and Vashum gets the call for a handball second time. Totmia. It's been a good game of football, this one. Marshang now. Marshang looking long for Somipum. Somipum cut inside, but was charged down by two defenders. Usangmi punts it up front. Kwikwi rescues the ball for SEIKHOR. Now it's Yokmi. Yokmi for Taimi. Taimi on for Kwikwi. Kwikwi loses the ball. Somipum now for TINGSHONG. Somipum, not quite sure who he was looking for with that pass, and Chansa easily clears his pass. Kwikwi with a nice switch through for Ringam Rungsung. Ringam plays it back to Yokmi. Yokmi back again to Ringam. Ringam with a deep cross that is collected by Ngsomi. Good handling from the goalkeeper, and will do him a world of confidence after his mistake that led to the goal in the opening minutes. Marshang asking for a foul. Marshang plays it back to Risungmi Vishum. Risungmi does well to get away from two SEIKHOR players. Risungmi. Still Risungmi. Charged down by Yokmi. Risungmi is fouled by Yokmi. Orishang has called on Iso. The last touch came off SEIKHOR player, but I think Wang Jan was unaware of that, so he kept the ball in play, and it led to an easy clearance by an Alpum, but Orishang wins a free kick. He had nutmegged Taimi, and Taimi brought him down, impeded him in his run. Now Orishang with another free kick. Orishang, it's a good one, and Jansa has gotten a bit of a mix there, but the keeper comes off his line and expertly takes the ball away from the head of the onrushing striker for TINGSHONG. Mashun, that's a poor ball in the end for Soso. Mashun again, another disappointing ball that is intercepted well by Orishang. Orishang is having a good game so far. Somipum now. Somipum to Totrehan. Taimi. Taimi looking long for Soso. Marshang up against Kwikwi. Marshang does well. Finds Somipum on the right flank. Somipum has gone past Yermia. Keeps the ball in play. Somipum up against Rancham. Somipum finds Rinhorngam. Rinhorngam plays it back to Marshang. Marshang is looking for Iso, but Jahansa rises the highest and clears away the danger for SEIKHOR, but Ranjam handled the ball 30 yards out, and it will be a free kick and an interesting position, interesting distance for TINGSHONG. Warringham has taken a few free kicks from this left side, but it was much further away from where free kick has been awarded this time, and he might actually have a crack at goal this time, considering the distance that's Warishang. Gets the all clear from the referee, and it is Warishang. It's a good free kick, Warishang. Ooh! Just nestled on the top of the back post. Hit the back netting. It was a good free kick, good power. Didn't get the dip on time. But SEIKHOR will be looking not to give away such kind of free kicks from those kind of distances, considering the expertise Warishang possess on set piece situations. Totmea has a loose ball. Mashun tried to nutmeg Totmea. Yokmi. Played in by Yokmi straight at the goalkeeper. Somipam plays it to Warishang. Bit of a miscontrol there, but he'll get the ball back anyway. Tottenham is asking a lot of Somipam and Yermia will win a throw-in. Yermia to Kwikwi loses it out. Warishang back to Marshang to Risangmi Vishum plays it back to Totmea, his centre back partner, and Totmea has found Iso. Good take from Iso, but a clatter between the two TINGSHONG players, and Mashun was through, but Totmea rescues the situation very well. And then a bit of a wild clearance from Rangam. Gives possession back to Singran. Singran wasting time. Iso, wow. The ball bounced just in front of him as he was trying to take it away from the part of the goalkeeper. And in the end, the awkward bounce worked out well for the SEIKHOR goalkeeper. Jansa back to his goalkeeper. Under pressure from Warrington, and it's a throw-in. Foul throw from TINGSHONG. Cleared by Rancham. Samipam to Soso. Warishang has Totmea. Kwikwi. Taimi. Mashun, a young player, hasn't done enough in the first half so far. Quite a skillful player, but feels like his confidence is lacking a little bit given the nature of the occasion. Warishang was looking for Warrington, but the ball goes straight back to Singran. Cleared by Risangmi Vishum. Rinhorngam. Oh, that's a beautiful ball. Clipped ball above the defense, and it's Soso. Was hoping that Kwikwi would make the run, but instead Kwikwi halted his run and The good pass from Soso falls in vain. Sotmaya. Good judgment of the ball, but Kui takes it away from the feet of Marshang. His cross was not controlled well by Soso, but SEIKHOR will come back again. Taimi out for Risangmi. Risangmi takes his pass and plays it to Marshang. Marshang has been headed off the ball by Taimi, and Taimi has been penalized for a push on Marshang. Orishang looking long. Here's Iso. Good take from Iso. Wongjan taken just off his toes by Nganaupam. It was a very, very good chance that Iso created for Wongjan, and Wongjan would have taken the shot on had it not been for the vital touch from Nganaupam, who took it away from the part of the on-rushing winger for TINGSHONG. Tottenham. Rancham, loose ball intercepted by Iso. Iso will win. No, Iso does not win a throw in. Jihanta under pressure by Iso. Iso has been full of running in this first half. Has also created a few chances. Yermia, it's a loose clearance, and that was a chance and a half for TINGSHONG. It was Ngurangam who had a chance after the mistake by Yermia, and the goalkeeper did just enough to unsettle the midfielder, TINGSHONG midfielder, and SEIKHOR get away with it. Orishang push on the back of Kui. From both sides. Chansa finds Soso. It's a beautiful flick on, and Kui cannot get on the end of that. Iso now. Iso played it back to Rinhorngam. Rancham now. Rancham back to Nganaupam. Nganaupam to his skipper Jihansa looking long for Kui. Kui heads it, and it's a beautiful ball for Mashun does not have the pace to get there ahead of the keeper, but we've seen some great passage of play from SEIKHOR in the last minute or so. Extra time, 1 minute. Rancham, through ball for Soso. Marshang just does enough to take the ball away from the feet of Soso, and SEIKHOR will have a corner as we head into 1 minute of additional time at the end of the first half. Jihansa has made a run forward. He is among one of the tallest and is excellent on the air, so Ringam will be looking to get the ball on the head of his keeper. Ringam. It's a shot at goal by Taimi. Back again for Ringam. Ringam will play it to Nganaupam. Bit of a hopeful toe poke straight at the goalkeeper. And that is half-time. SEIKHOR scored very early in the game, courtesy of that scruffed finish from Kui which squirmed just past the goalkeeper, but great spirit by TINGSHONG, who fought back brilliantly, valiantly, and they also had a few chances, half chances, but they will go into halftime knowing full well that they can launch an incredible comeback given the account that they have given for themselves in the first half. Join us for the second half action after 15 minutes.
Kashima salu Jarawi ngave Ngerog mamande Lagi shivai kushung hauga Ining magatuna je Lega shidanda na jang mi haira Jarawi pilan sinda Ki jang khala ili ma hanglak le ZTKL hawa cha Ini wi lei shat Ngevei shung hai re Ipang na cha re mit lite Ini magatuna je Lei ga shidanda na jang mi hai re Jarawi pilan sinda Kong mơ can đơ giờ thủy hay lơ lơ Lì xì lấy chính đơ lê Khơ y bằng chân mơ lấy thu rơ khô Bằng hào sơ mơ chi khăn ai Ining magatuna je Lei ga shidanda na jang mi hai re Jarawi pilan sinda
श्री राम को एग्जैक्टली
We will be back underway for the second half soon, and SEIKHOR, who are leading the game, have made a change with Mashun Ramrer substituted, and in his place comes on Shongripao, a veteran for SEIKHOR, one of the most experienced defenders from the region, and he will play the second half of this exciting game. It's been an exceptional first half, and they will hope, TINGSHONG will hope that they will be able to create a few problems for SEIKHOR in the second half. And Where Sangmi Wishum has started up front now. He completed it, or he finished the first half in the middle of defense, and now it looks like he's stepped up into midfield. So on we go for another exciting 40 minutes of this classic match. Tammy straight away looking for Kui, cleared by Marshang. It's a good flick on by Somipam. Yermia, sorry, and foul by Akui on Marshang. Morishang, it's a disappointing ball from Morishang, who was one of the best free kick takers for TINGSHONG in the first half, and it nearly turned out to be a costly giveaway. Totmia. Tammy. Morishang, that's twice he has missed his kick. Those kind of swings where you put all your power in one leg, and if you don't hit the ball, it has a bit of a toll on your muscles. But Morishang looks good at the moment, so they will go on. Chang Pao, good clearance from the substitute who came on at halftime. Iso now. Iso goes past Nganapam. Iso. Oh, he slipped right at the crucial moment. He was trying to get a cross in, and he had tricked 2 or 3 defenders there. But in the end, it's a free kick for TINGSHONG very early in the game, in the second half. It will be taken by Morishang. Twice he has missed the good chances at kicking the ball in the second half. Will he get a third? Will he get third time lucky? That's the question. Morishang. 6 in the box and 2 outside the edge of the box for TINGSHONG. Morishang. Ooh. He left too much on the ground there, but he'll get a second swipe at it. And it's Marshang. Marshang plays it back to Totmia. Totmia out wide for Somia, the skipper. Somia plays it beautifully out on the right flank, but the combination of defense between Shang Pao and Kui means that the ball has gone out for a goal kick, which is taken by Shang Pao, well defended by Totmia, but back again with Akui. Akui was looking for Yokmi. Tammy now. Tammy. Rancham for Nganapam. Nganapam out for Ringam. Ringam. His cross is intercepted by Morishang. Good clearance by Marshang. Now with Samipam. Samipam for Ngorangam. Cleared by Shang Pao. Back is Soso now. Soso plays it out wide for Ringam. Ringam plays it back to Soso. Soso leaves it. It's a good tummy, and it's a good layoff there by Yokmi, who in the end cannot get his shot on target. Did very well to create a chance for himself and create a space to take the shots, but his shot was disappointing in the end. Warishang. Rangam to Risangmi now. Risangmi plays it to Marshang. Now with Tottenham. Marshang very brave. High put there from Iso, and Shongrepao will take the leaves it for Jihansa. Jihansa, bit of a mistake from the TINGSHONG player, jersey number 17, Rangam. It's gone out for a throw-in, taken quickly by Yermia on the byline. Yermia, it's another throw-in for SEIKHOR, out by Marshang. Taimi, it's gone out of play, and a goal kick for TINGSHONG. TINGSHONG have read it back really well. Totmia. It is left to be seen whether SEIKHOR will try to sit back and see this lead out, because half time they made a tactical change at it. They took out Mushun and they brought in Shongrepao. So taking out a forward for a defender tells you something. We'll see how the game pans out. But Shongrepao has made such a great impact on the game. He has been there at every ball. Warishang plays it out wide for Somipum. Somipum takes a little too much time on the ball, but finds Rangam. Rangam looking for the run of Wangchan, and Wangchan's headed pass for Risangmi falls straight back to the goalkeeper. Somipum keeps the ball in play. Soso. Rangam now. Rangam to Iso. Iso and cleared by Ringam. Ringam again concedes a throw-in. Tottenham will take the throw-in to Wangchan. Wangchan plays it short for Iso, but Iso does well to retain possession. Rancham now out wide for Ringam. Ringam trying to sell the game a little bit, trying to slow down the game a little bit. It's been fast paced, and for a team that is leading, SEIKHOR, they need experienced players in the middle of the park to slow things down, to change the tempo of the game so as to frustrate TINGSHONG. If you're giving the ball away again and again, and if you're turning over possession again and again, it gives so much more time for TINGSHONG to get back into the game. And Jihansa and Somipum going for that ball. Jihansa with a high foot, and Somipum, the skipper for TINGSHONG, is down hurt. TINGSHONG have a depleted squad. They have only 14 players. They have just 2 players on the bench as of now, and if this is a serious injury for Songwipum, for him not being able to continue will be a big blow for the team in orange. They'll be hoping that the skipper will be able to get up on his feet and be able to continue. So all good sign from the skipper, which is a good sign, and a free kick for TINGSHONG. It will be taken by the looks of it by Risangmi Vishum. Only one man wall in front of him. Tatmia has straight offside. Risangmi. It's Risangmi Vishum. Disappointing ball in the end from the experienced midfielder. Shangnepo has straight a long way off his defensive lines. He's looking for Yokmi. Yokmi cannot take the ball off Marshang. Rangam looking for Totmia. Rangam again. Is Risangmi Vishum. Vishum out wide for Somipum. Somipum has all the space. Somipum takes the shot on. Oh, at the far post was Wongchan, but the weight on the ball was a little too heavy, and the striker cannot apply the finishing touch on that. Maybe he would have gotten there had he put his body on the line, but we don't know why he didn't, and Somipum is telling Wongchan exactly that. He's asking why he didn't put his body on the line for that cross. TINGSHONG will come again. Anapam is Somipum. Somipum takes his pass. Oh, it's a disappointing ball in the end by Somipum, who took it past Yermia.
Goal kick. SEIKHOR Bashan Tainije. Arturo Vidal, number 4. Anishi Nakamukle physical Samokle, Jamrokle.
This is exactly what I was talking about when I said SEIKHOR needs experienced players to step up and try to control the tempo of the game a little bit, try to settle things down, slow down things a little bit, because they're putting so much pressure on themselves, trying to play it very fast and giving away cheap free kicks such as that. It was another good attempt at goal by Warishang, straight at the goalkeeper at that time, but SEIKHOR really needs to slow down a little bit, get their pairings more, and see where that leads them. Akui trying to keep the ball in, flings himself to the ground. Orishang, Wangchan, Risangmi Vishum, clearance by Nganapam. Out for a throw-in. Totmia plays it to Wongchan. Totmia now. Totmia, ball into the box, cleared by Ngrancham. Ngrancham again can only get it past the midfield. Orisang. A throw-in for SEIKHOR. Temporary respite from all the pressure that TINGSHONG have been piling on the team that are leading. Now it's Soso. Soso at straight offside. If you've just joined us, this is the last game of the first day, and we have SEIKHOR in white, TINGSHONG in orange, and SEIKHOR are leading the game by a goal to nil. The goal taken by Aongshi in the 2nd minute of the game. TINGSHONG have recovered very well thus far, and they are piling the pressure on SEIKHOR at the moment. Ranjam loses the ball to Totmia. Totmia plays it out on the left flank for Wongchan. Nganawbom clears it. Ranjam now. Won back by Resungmi Vishum. Resungmi trying to go past Taimi, but he is held back, and it's a free kick for TINGSHONG. Warishang has put in a few good crosses so far in the game, but he'll be hoping that this one will be more telling. Warishang. Warishang, flat delivery, straight at Marshang. It's Totmia. Totmia plays it out wide for Somipum. Somia inside. Totmia now, and it's a shot at goal by Totngahan. Now SEIKHOR will come on the counter. Bringing for Marancham. Marancham loses the ball to TINGSHONG player, but Jahansa won it back. Jahansa, Warishang with the clearance. Out wide for Somia. Somia to Totmia. It's a good ball by Somia for Resungmi Vishum. Resungmi. Tottenham is down on the ground, and Somia has the ball still. Iso. Totmia. It's gone a bit violent here this game. Here's Totmia. Totmia. Akui charging on the back of Totmia, and an effort at goal by Marshang.
It comes to nothing.
This game is being played at an unbelievable tempo. No respite for both teams. It's end-to-end football. Attacking football at its best at the moment. But only just the goal by Agui in the first half to show for it. The quality lacking a little bit in the final third from both teams. Nevertheless, it's been one of the games of the tournament so far. Somia has 3 players to look forward for. Somia finds Wangchan. Wangchan plays it to Ngrangam, but Ngrangam lost out to Yermia, and Jansa trying to play it to Akui. Plays the ball out for a throw in for TINGSHONG. SEIKHOR win the ball back. Taimi now. Now it's Yermi. Yermi slipped, and Warishang will try to clear it, but it's a bad clearance from Warishang. Taimi. Tottenham now with Wangchan. Wangchan plays it to Resungmi. Resungmi full of running. Resungmi has the pace to beat Nganao Pum, Ray Seung-mi is brought down. The referee says it's not a foul, but Totmia is there to pick up the loose ball, but in the end a shot from distance by Wang Jan goes wide.
SEIKHOR Arturo Vidal, number 4 na Taire.
Samya has had such a good game so far, but his decision making in the final there has been lacking a bit. Here's Totmia now, lifts it for Somia. Somia tried the shot on the half volley, but it was blocked by Yermia. Throw in now for Totmia, plays it to Rangam. In again by Rinhuangam, out by Shang Pao. Warishang was looking for Totmia, cleared by Yermia. Kui under pressure from two players. TINGSHONG emerged with the ball. Totmia has been played on the right flank. Totmia puts a beautiful cross and it's cleared by Janta, and it's a shot at goal by Iso. That was a wonderful shot, good technique on the ball, but well positioned one of the SEIKHOR defenders to deal with that shot from Iso. Marshang for Totmia. Totmia back to Marshang again. Marshang looking for Iso. It's sold to pass a little too much for Iso. Soso now. Soso, wow! The ball fell kindly to Yokmi. Oh, the referee had given a free kick to SEIKHOR. But I believe the referee would have allowed play to continue, and if the shot from Yokmi had gone in, I believe the goal would have stood. But since the play didn't lead to anything, the referee has brought back to the incident where Soso was fouled, and they have a free kick here from just outside the box. Ringam and Kui Wongshi standing over this one. We'll see if they have a few training. Oh, it's skied high and over the bar by Kui Wongshi, the goal scorer. We thought they were gonna bring out some training tactic, but it was straight forward from the SEIKHOR side and well over the crossbar by Kui. Rangam, good ball through for Wang Jan. Wang Jan took the ball away from the head of Jansa. Iso dispossessed by Ranjam. Won back by Tottenham. Tottenham looking for the run of Wang Jan, but Wang Jan had straight offside, and SEIKHOR will have a free kick.
Free kick.
Warishang with a big clearance. He was the only outfield player back for TINGSHONG. Yermia for Kui. Back to Yermia. Yermia charging down the byline. Yermia again on the ball. Yokmi try to lay it for Soso. Now TINGSHONG come on the counter. Totmia held back by Jehanta, and it's a free kick for TINGSHONG. Warishang has been the sole set piece taker for TINGSHONG so far in this match. Warishang, it's a good shot, just a little wide of the far post of the goalkeeper Zingran. And SEIKHOR will look to come again. There's been no stoppage of play whatsoever. It's been end-to-end football. Nothing but excitement for this game. Marshang. Ooh. The enthusiasm of the game is such that in trying to keep the ball alive, a player Somaya has clattered with some of the fans. Foul on Akui for the push on Somaya. And Risangmi will take this free kick. Risangmi looking long. Cleared by Yermia. It's a good take from Somaya. Good take from Somaya. Somaya plays it inside for Iso, but the touch from Iso was a little too heavy, and it's gone out for goal kick for SEIKHOR. But the way in which Somaya took the ball in his stride, what a wonderful footballer he is. Iso has also been brilliant in the game so far. It was just the final touch there that let him down. Again, Somaya Iso sliding in on Ranjam, but Ranjam emerging with the ball, played it back to Shangripao. Shangripao plays it first time to Soso. Soso pushes Tottenham at the back, and TINGSHONG have a free kick in their own half. TINGSHONG have 13 minutes to salvage a draw or to get the winner, while SEIKHOR have 13 minutes to hold on to and see out this victory. We will see which team comes out on top. Warishang. Warishang is bundled over by Soso, I think, and Tottenham is down on the floor receiving treatment. Warishang seems to be in a bit of distress here. Maybe cramps are kicking in. The last 10-20 minutes of the game are the hardest for any footballer, and when you've been taking all the set pieces, the cramps were gonna kick in anyway. The muscles have tired out, they've given away, and I think that's the case for Warishang. We'll see if he'll be able to come back on the field and continue. No, the players have signaled to the bench, and so there's been two signals. First was calling the substitute on the bench to come on, and the other by Somaya, the skipper, asking the player on the bench to stay put, saying Warishang will be back into action soon. But in his absence, it's Tottenham who takes the free kick. Rancham for Kui. Kui. Bit of a hopeful punt up front. Straight back at the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper plays it to Risangmi. Risangmi plays it out wide for Somia. Somia has... Oh, it's a mistake from the goalkeeper. Clearing that ball. The resulting shot from Tammy straight at the goalkeeper.
Handball.
A huge letter for the TINGSHONG goalkeeper there. Iso. Well defended by Chansa. Akoi plays it back to Manalpam. And Manalpam will win a throw-in off Marangam. Good flick on by Akoi. Sangmi plays it to Iso. Marshang with the clearance. Chansa. Sangmi. Warishang is back on the field again. We'll see if he tries to play some long balls. We'll see how his muscles hold up for the last 10 minutes that we have left in this game. 10 minutes plus some extra time. Somya here up against Yermia. Yermia does well to contend the threat of Somya. In the end, the clearance from Yermia got a little touch, a little nick of Somya. Marshang. Well back by Tammy. Musomi. Okay. Cleared by Tottenham. A throw in for SEIKHOR. Foul throw. Shanghai Power with the clearance. So there to keep the ball alive. Kui Awongshi. Kui gets the ball in. So is there, and this time the goalkeeper Somi does very well to keep the ball, not spilling it. Iso now. Somya does not find any teammate, and SEIKHOR now on the ascendancy. They have had more of the ball in the last 10 minutes or so. The injury to Warishang acting as a turning point, but he's back on the field again, and TINGSHONG will hope they will be able to get back into the game again, get more possession and create more chances. As SEIKHOR on the other hand will try to sit out this lead. Wow, Musomi had run out of play, and it's a free kick for SEIKHOR. His body was inside the line, but his hand was outside the line, so a handball offense has been given against the TINGSHONG goalkeeper, and it's a free kick. A goal here from SEIKHOR will seal the deal for the team in white, and it will be such heartbreak for TINGSHONG, who have given such a great fight till now. We'll see what comes from this free kick. Ringam, well defended, cleared further by Totmea. Only a pow on the halfway line for SEIKHOR. Was looking for Akui, but Totmea now. Orangachan plays it back to Tottenham. Tottenham will play it back to Risangmi, who flings the ball up front. Ringam is dispossessed by Marshang and Somya. Resangmi now. Resangmi turns under huge pressure. Resangmi. Resangmi does very well to go past 2, 3, 4 players. Play the ball to Rin Hongam, and in the end, wasteful shot from the youngster, who instead of playing the ball to one of his teammates, tried to go for glory from long range. Chansa rising the highest to clear that ball away, but Rin Hongam plays it all the way back to SEIKHOR goalkeeper, who will do as much as he can to waste precious seconds here. Iso plays it out wide for Somya. Somya goes past Yermia. Somya with a low cross in. Somya nearly fell to Rangam, and they will have a throw in yet again. So substitute for SEIKHOR, and 17
Number 22 in.
Soso is being replaced by jersey number 22 Kanso.
The game with tactic nahi. Tab tak Zadila. It's all part of the game. Mathalagan Gauri number 17, 22.
Resangmi plays it to Rin Hongam. Rin Hongam loses the ball in the middle of the park to Shangrepao, and it's 3 versus 1 here. And Kanso gives the ball in. Shangrepao gets inside the box, cleared by the goalkeeper, and Kanso will take the resulting throw in for SEIKHOR. 3 minutes plus whatever time is added on at the end of this enthralling 80 minutes that we have witnessed. The game is not done in any way yet, but the next goal will have huge impact on how this game will end. Marancham Tammy, his shot is tame and is collected by Ngusomi. Ngusomi looking long, well defended by Ngusopom. Akui with a few step overs. Akui gets on the pylon, puts cross in, well defended by the TINGSHONG defense. Now on the left flank for Ringam. Back again with Ringam. Ringam goes past Resangmi. Ringam, his effort is well wide. Warishang. All the way back to the goalkeeper. Oh, it's a mistake from Sopom, and a chance for Totmaya. Oh wow, what a clearance from Jihansa. Bit of a miscommunication between the defenders and the goalkeeper of SEIKHOR, and nearly fell to Totmaya. Nearly turned out to be a huge gift for Totmaya, but they have a corner, and if they make proper use of this corner, they can take the game into tiebreakers. We will see what comes of this corner. Disappointing corner, and the player has stayed down on the far end, holding his foot. It looks like he's also got cramps from taking the corner.
Thak nang samay da.
TINGSHONG have another corner. SEIKHOR will have to defend this one again. And Warishang, who has a cramp earlier, did not take the corner, but since the corner taker Warangjan is down injured, it looks like it will be Warishang who takes this corner now. And there will be a change. Jersey number 2.
Substitute. TINGSHONG wajah substitute Sagi Jere.
Warishang now.
Number 11.
It's a good corner. Warishang. A free header there for Ngarangam, but he heads it straight back the direction it was coming on. He should have just got a bit of a flick on that header, and that would have ended up in the back of the net. But a huge chance missed by
Only time will tell.
Ngarangam, and Warangjan in the end has been replaced by Nganaomi, just number 20. Risangmi now for Somya. Iso. TINGSHONG still going, fighting, pressing for the equalizer, and they have a free kick here.
Foul.
You can hear the groans of the defenders from SEIKHOR having conceded another free kick in the dying seconds of the game. We haven't had any indication of how much time has been added on, but the regulation time is up, and Warishang will take this free kick, hoping, praying that this will lead to something right at the dead of this game. Warishang, referee making sure there's no pushing or shoving inside the box. Warishang goes straight at goal, and the keeper does well. The keeper does extremely well to keep a hold of it. Ringam. And that is the full-time whistle. Valiant effort from TINGSHONG, who gave it their all, but SEIKHOR, after having scored very early in the game, hold on to the lead, and it is SEIKHOR who goes through to the next round, and TINGSHONG will exit the knockout stages with their heads held high, because they have given a very, very great account of themselves for a small village from the suburbs of Ukhrul. It has been a great match to witness for all of us, and that is it for the sports section today, and hopefully we will see you once again tomorrow when the sports action resumes in the morning.